Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to do Chapter 2, Year to Year, Class 4 ABS. This is the worksheet for PT2, PT1 examination. So let us have the questions. Which of the following animals have tiny holes on both of the sides of head to ear? छोटे छोटे छेद होते हैं कानों में सिर के दोनों साइड में. That is a crow. The dash has ears like fans. Elephant. Donkey has ears on sides of the head. The patterns on by which animals may be recognized are due to their hair of the skin. Now, where do we see dinosaurs? In films and pictures only. True or false? Our national animal is peacock. No, this is false. National animal जो है वो है हमारा टाइगर. पीकॉक हमारा बर्ड है. A fish has ears but we cannot see it. True. Buffaloes and cows have hairs on their bodies. True. Sheep do not have hairs on their bodies. False. Squirrels lay eggs. True. We can see the ears of a crocodile. Sometimes true, sometimes false also. कभी कभी हम देख भी नहीं पाते. All animals have ears. Yes. The number of tiger in India is decreasing day by day. बिल्कुल ठीक है. Dinosaurs are extinct from the earth. Yes. The frog gives birth to babies and monkey lays eggs. नहीं, बिल्कुल गलत है. उल्टा होता है. मंकी के बच्चे होते हैं और frog के अंडे होते हैं. Fill in the blanks. Usually we cannot see the holes used for hearing by a bird because they are covered by hairs. If an animal does not have outer hair, it will not have any patterns on the skin. Crocodile and lizards hear by tiny holes. All animals give birth to their young ones once have visible ears. जिसके कान दिखाई देते हैं बच्चे उन्हीं के होते हैं. जिसके कान आप नहीं देख सकते वो सभी अंडे देते हैं. तो क्रोकोडाइल भी अंडे ही देता है. The lizard have tiny holes on their heads which are their ears. The buffaloes have ears like leaves. On human being has ears both sides of the head. Our pet needs our love and care. Dodo एक extinct bird है. Match the column. Black stripe, white skin, zebra. Black stripe, yellow brown skin, tiger. Black spots on yellow brown skin is leopard. White spots on yellow brown skin is deer. अब इन सभी पिक्चर्स जो हैं आपको देख के बताना है कि कौन एग देगा और किसके बेबीज़ होंगे. ये सेम बात है. जिसके कान दिखाई देते हैं उनके बेबीज़ होते हैं. जिसके कान दिखाई नहीं देते वो अंडे देते हैं. तो रैबिट का येस, पैरट नो, फ्रॉग नो, डियर येस एंड क्रोकोडाइल नो. Name two animals which give birth to babies. Cat, dog. Name any two animals which have ears on either side of the head. Is human and monkey. दोनों के सिर के दोनों साइड में कान होते हैं. How does a snake hear? Feel the vibrations of the ground. Why do animals have different patterns on their body? ताकि वो अपने प्रिडेटर से बच सकें. ताकि जो शिकारी आए वो उनसे बच सकें. इसलिए उनकी बॉडी पे अलग अलग तरह के पैटर्न्स होते हैं. It's a dog and it's feeding milk to the babies. So here you need to find out कि किसके कौन eggs देता है कौन babies देते हैं. So everything is written here. आप ध्यान से देखेंगे और याद रखेंगे. जिसके कान दिखाई देते हैं उनके बच्चे होते हैं और जिसके कान हम नहीं देख सकते उनके अंडे होते हैं. Now here the jumble words: fish, elephant, duck, sparrow, donkey, leopard, buffalo and pigeon. आपको यहाँ मैंने अभी बताया था कि किसके होते हैं. आप कमेंट करके बताइएगा मुझे किसके एयर्स दिखते हैं नहीं दिखते हैं. कौन लेस एग करता है कौन यंग वन को बर्थ देता है. Thus you will find out. We cannot see the ears of a bird. An elephant gives birth to their ones. The different patterns on the found on animals due to their hair and their skin. Yes. The tiger is our national animal. The animals whose ears can be seen from outside have hair on their bodies and they give birth to the young ones. Now draw a picture of the animal. और कलर करना है. ये आपकी मर्ज़ी से आ सकता है. Here you need to identify this is a squirrel's body, this is leopard, deer, zebra and tiger. I hope you will practice it. Thank you.